Kapa Magic ko Bridget Tunnicliffe aho. With me on the commentary desk is Cruz Tangira. Tēnā koe I pehe toa moi. Long day yesterday.
Ai, tino roa, te rangi ina nahira hoi anō. Tāhora watu taku moi I ngā pō, e riti ana mo tēnei ke meu haere ake nei.
So, final game for these two teams, Pulse Magic. And we caught up with coaches pre-game. First, we're going to hear from assistant coach Liana Leota.
Thank you very much for your time this morning. Your final game against the Magic. What are you looking for in this game for the Pulse?
I think just consistency. We've got lots of goals we want to tick off for this weekend, making sure we get players out there, but I think for us just making sure we put out a consistent performance. I think we've been up and down. I know that's pre-season, but we just want that little bit more consistency.
And I'm just looking at your bench at the moment and getting signs that maybe Amelia Nikanasi or Paris Mason may not be playing this game. A clear intention behind that?
Yeah, no, just loading. It's still pre-season, so we want to make sure they're fit and ready for round one, and just being smart with that. Mil's obviously older player, so just like, yeah, giving her body time in that space, but it's a great opportunity for our young ones to have a crank.
And finally for you, what's it like being home back in the Pulse? Obviously you're from this area, you moved up from the Steel last year. Really nice to be home?
Oh, amazing. I didn't realise I'd missed it so much until I actually came home. Being able to give back to my own community has been awesome. And just to see people that help me shape me into the person that I am back in the crowds, and being here has been, yeah, so it's heartwarming. So, no, I think right decision.
Yeah, well, it's nice to have you home, La. Thank you for your time. Enjoy today's game.
Cool. Thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you. Have a great day. Morena MJ, thank you very much for your time. Final day here in Otaki. A great win yesterday afternoon. What's one focus for this match against the Pulse?
Yeah, we've got a couple actually for both attack and defence, but overall it's about us and we don't care who they put out really, and we just want to consolidate coming off that game yesterday and make sure it's something that we wanted to get embedded.
And finally, you've got a few more pre-season games before the season starts, about 4 weeks away from that first game. Are you kind of happy with how the team's tracking so far?
Yeah, look, Otaki is always a great tournament to come to because it gauges where you're at and how pre-season has tracked along. So I think our girls are quite surprised how we've managed to get some of these games across the line. But we've also learned a lot about ourselves, especially with the new girls in the team.
So thank you for your time, MJ. Enjoy the game.
Ngā mihi, kia ora.
Anei te rārangi ngua mō te tīma Pulse, goal shoot Anna-Marie Venter, goal attack Grace Southby, wing attack Lily Gorman-Brown, centre Emma Thompson, wing defence Ainsleyana Puliata, goal defence Zalika Clark, goalkeep Holly Commons. On the bench is Edina Ngarimu, Maddie Thomas, Kiana Williams, and Iseta Tongavaya and Skylar Tainui Takare. It looks like co-captains Amelia Nikanasi and Paris Mason will get a rest.
Mihiri tātou ki te Kapa Magic, goal shoot Kate Taylor, goal attack Saviour Tui, wing attack Ellie Wilshire. She'll team up with Ariana Cable-Dixon in at centre. Captain Georgie Edgecombe in at wing defence, goal defence Oshia Maihi and Edina Mikaire in at goal keep for the team in black.
So, first day, Friday, the Pulse beat the Stars 62-58. Yesterday they had a loss to the Mystics, went down 59-45. The Magic were beaten by the Tactics yesterday 54-51. Then they had a good win over the Steel last night, 45-33. So final hit out for these two teams.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, Bridget, or as the coach has mentioned, should I say, just another good opportunity to try combinations this morning. As MJ, head coach for the Magic, said, she doesn't care who the Pulse put out. She's focused on her team and what they can do.
Yeah, I have learnt to not read too much into these pre-season results over the years.
I was talking to Holly Mather from the Tactics yesterday, and she said there's apparently a pre-season curse. If you do well here in the pre-season, you don't do too well in the ANZ Premiership. I don't know if I believe that or not. Potentially we may see that come to fruition this year. Yeah. I think for me, one benefit of pre-season is seeing the young guns, the young netballers coming through and getting an opportunity at this level. We see a few on your screen now. Zalika Clark in at goal defence for the Pulse. Maddie Thomas, she'll start on the bench, but no doubt she'll get a run as well.
Yeah, I mean, the result of having a bunch of, Silver Ferns players head over across the Tasman. It has meant first-time, full-time contracts for some of these players who've been biding their time in the NNL, such as Thomas and Erera Ngarimu. Yeah, so a few Kiwis making their SSN debut in Australia last night.
Yep, I was glued to my phone watching the likes of Kate Heffernan, an outstanding win over Grace Wickett.
Yeah, and Gina Crampton getting a bit of court time. It was kind of surreal seeing Crampton feeding Wickett again.
So Emma Thompson will get us underway for this first game of the final day here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. E mihi ana ki te Wānanga nei, i tā rātou manaaki o tēnei tonomana, tēnei whakataitai.
Yeah, ngā mihi nui to all the volunteers that helped run this.
Yes,
it's been incredible again.
One volunteer in particular, Vi, who's the MC of this weekend, certainly brings the energy. Likewise, these teams out on court. Pulse just been held up a little bit. Direct route into Venter. Beautiful roll to open up that space.
Oh, yep. Slows up the rebound, Mackay there.
I thought Kate Taylor was fantastic last night against the Steel. Her confidence to go to the post, also shooting those long-range shots as well. And she starts accurately too.
Spreading it left to Maihi. Just the other way. Just couldn't contain that one.
Lily Gorman-Brown on at wing attack for the Pulse. She's been fantastic this weekend. Her combination with the likes of Thompson.
Oh, Maihi did well to come around and have a punt at that ball. Cable Dixon, yeah, clever pass to get around the defender.
Yeah, just made Commons go in the air and just stepped around, little flick pass.
Grace Southby at goal attack. She's a training partner this year for the Pulse. Venter with a mid-range shot. Nicely done.
Well, playing down this close channel. Straight into Saviour Tui, who offloads it.
Oh, the Congestion has to go back.
Yeah, beautiful pressure there off the centre pass for the Magic. Just playing that wall.
Nice pop forward from Venter. Oh, Thompson wasn't ready for that feed out.
She was giving direction to someone else on the transverse line where Venter was actually looking for her.
Shire pushes it into the wing. It's a tough one for Saviour Tui. Bounce pass, nice use of the feeding.
Yeah, beautiful change of angle, using the triangle. We've seen that a number of times.
Oh, that was floaty. Yeah.
So was that. Maihi just shut that one down. A gift really for Maihi, just not enough strength on that pass going into the pocket.
Taylor up high. Wilshire to Cable Dixon, top of the circle, quick release, too much. Thompson clearing ball down to Gorman Brown. Yeah, nice work around the circle. Has to nail those. Mahi helping bringing the ball down, outside again Taylor. Over the mess to Tui.
What a take as well by Saviour Tui. Just the one hand, pouring it in. Kate Taylor just coming out the top of the circle for the last 2 phases of play, releasing that pressure. Normally we see her kind of post up in the inner circle.
Tui with the offload. Just not the right timing.
Yeah, I think she just passed it a little bit too early. Taylor was just repositioning herself before that ball went. Gorman Brown up the middle. Likewise, Puliata.
Thompson on 1 foot. Swinging it left to open something up.
That's better there for the Pulse. Just nice and calm, straight into Ventura.
South Bay spreading it left to Thompson. That's nice from Venter.
Yeah, she seems to have found her range now, found her rhythm. Grace Southby still yet to score for the Pulse, but doing great work out front just to assist that ball into the circle.
Oh, cutting off that bounce pass, Mahi. That's a risk with some of those bounce passes. They give the defenders time. Good defensive work from the Pulse, slowing this ball down. Cable Dixon finds Taylor. Yeah, she does a quick turn to sight Tui.
Yeah, it took a while for the Magic to find that goal, but they got there in the end.
Gorman Brown looking for options. Yeah, Venter's just doing a good job of popping forward. But another miss for the Pulse.
Oh, Puliata, she had a challenge on that ball. Nice, great work there, great timing by Taylor. Just moving into that open space.
Shire using her other feeder.
Oh, Commons, very strong in the air, that deflection. So they'll get another attempt. Saviour Tui to take that ball. Yeah, that was going to Taylor all day. You could see that strong hold she had set up. And again, the accuracy at the post.
Yep, Magic lead 8-4. Good defensive pressure again off the pass. Magic. South B looking for support.
Well, look, there's really no one coming through that middle. Someone needs to break. Emma Thompson does, and turns it over.
Yeah, just accumulated pressure. leading to that mistake.
Georgie Edgecombe was fantastic last night as well against the Steel. A new leadership role for her this year, being announced as co-captain alongside Eranami Kaire.
Oh, that deserved to be taken. It was very crisp up to that point.
Oh, the vision. Just clearing the mess, and she gets it back on the circle edge. Beautiful speed through the court there by Thompson.
Yeah, Venter making it crystal clear where she wanted that ball as well. He's going to launch it. Why not? Taylor had a bit of space.
Yeah. Beautiful movement by Taylor.
We're into the super shot phase now. Last 5 minutes of each quarter. Venter.
Oh, and the split stance as well. Just rolls in there for Venter. Of course, as mentioned by Liana Leota, no Paris Mason, no Emilia Encarnacio in this game, just due to loading.
So Tui, she's in the 2-point zone. She's going for it. Pulse down 3, have a chance to close in on that. South B deep into the pocket to Thompson.
Transition here for the Pulse, very seamless.
South B again down to that pocket.
Oh, what a take.
Yeah, what a leap.
South B yet to score in this quarter. Potentially one here.
That'll feel good.
Oh, the vision, the feed, the strength as well, but can't quite finish. What a drive there by Puliata.
Gorman-Brown, top of the circle. Quick offload. And the Pulse have equalised. Quick ball work between South B and Gorman-Brown. Venter presenting nicely.
Yeah, great phase of play there by the Pulse, just utilising the speed of the board to lose the defender. And the Pulse take the lead by 1, 10-9 as we head into the final 2 minutes of this first quarter.
Good defensive pressure from the Pulse. Sui looking for support.
Patience there by Wilshire to Cable Dixon on the circle edge.
Good patience from the Magic. Oh, there goes Edgecombe. What she's known for.
Yeah, she just shut down that space, the closing speed on Georgie Edgecombe.
Oh, the screen was set up by Tui. Great stuff from the Magic.
Look at this, Georgie Edgecombe. So strong.
Taylor outside again. Oh, nice use of the triangle.
Beautiful release there by Gorman Brown. Just on the first second, not allowing the defender to even attempt to attack that ball.
Yeah, not mucking around the Magic. They know the clock is ticking. So that was a very good finish from the Magic there, just beating the buzzer, taking the 13-11 lead over the Pulse at the end of the first quarter. We'll take a break and be back shortly.
Time to play bad cop. You'd love that, wouldn't you?
This is England.
This is Bradford. It's the people we love who suffer when we don't do what we promise.
Harry, please, he might kill you.
How long do you think you'll last, detective?
I'll bury you.
We could change the city, you and me.
Verdi. Now the game begins.
New drama. Verdi. Ki Māori Plus. Me whakaata Māori.
Local drama. International drama.
You see our verdict.
The best of Indigenous talents. Drama queens
Just wake up, sis.
and epic scenes. Fiction-laced
You shouldn't have done
or
that.
reality-based. Award-winning, riveting.
Now the game begins.
If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here. This year, Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruaman. Neke atu i te whā te kautau, te tūhono i ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga, te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki, haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
Au taia, tukula mai o kaha ia mātou nei tamariki kia tūranga tira.
Ko au taia, haka.
Mai ora rā te kāhui ariki! Te kāhui tupua! Te kāhui tāi haru nei!
Whakau koukou te wairua I Naianei.
Kia utonu, ki o tātou mā tāpono, te pupu mahi, eri te ana koutou, eri te ana tātou.
Ko tai tēnei ki te kotahi rau tau I Naianei. I raro I ngā waiwai o ngā tikanga Pākehā. E tahi o tātou te mariki kei kona e noho tūpuhia I roto I tēnei aho te Māorita. Nā reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rāta. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whai ake I ngā kahura. Hei whai atu I o rātou hia, ke mōhia I rātou ko wai rātou.
Hoki mai ki te hauwha tuarua. It is the Magic leading the Pulse 13-11 after the first quarter. And the Magic shooting end is operating nicely. Kate Taylor and Saviour Tui rotating the circle nicely. But the Pulse finding their feet at the back end of that first quarter. MΑORI Venter, Grace Southby working together well too.
Well, speaking of the shooting in for the Magic, Jade Kafe coming on at goal attack, pushing Savia Tui back to goal shoot. Beautiful vision there by Gorman Brown into Williams.
Yeah, we haven't seen much of Williams this weekend, but she is on at goal attack, heavily strapped shoulder. Hits the deck, Commons. Maddie Thomas on at goalkeep for the Pulse.
Oh, what a long pass there. The one-handed shoulder pass by Gorman Brown. Finds its target. Look at this. And the backspin on it as well.
Yeah, too much. Good defensive work, Kafe. Gorman Brown straight into Venter. She's not happy from there. Good challenge from Maihi.
Yeah, unlucky there for Maihi. Actually, she had that really nice front position. Well, Kiana Williams trying to utilise the no-look pass. Unfortunately, Mikaere was all over that. So it's all even in the second quarter. Oh, the rotation there. Beautiful drive along the baseline there by Venter. And the finish too.
Oh, quick work in the middle. Georgie Edgecombe. Pulse win the battle for the rebound. Oh, they've lost it already.
Just a little bit short there from Tui. Strong drive off the circle edge and the feed into Venter. So momentum certainly starting with the home side this morning. Look at that. Again, that one-handed pass. Williams to Venter. Oh, Commons just gift wrapped for her as they turn it over again.
Yeah, the Pulse not making the most of their turnovers at times.
So Gorman Brown just presenting that front option. Long feed in.
Yeah, it's a confident ball into Venter. One-on-one with Maihi.
So breaking call here for the Magic.
Thompson over to Gorman Brown. Oh, how many hands did that clear?
I think about three players from the Magic it cleared before it finally reached its target. as we have a team timeout here for the Magic.
Yeah, Magic led 13-11 after the first quarter, but yeah, you can feel a bit of a momentum shift the way of the pulse.
Yeah, MJ Aroa, just clear attention there to her young shooter, Jade Kafet, just giving her a bit more direction in terms of her rotation in that circle. Still trying to find that connection with Savia Tui in the second quarter. Magic still have 2 preseason games left against the Stars and the Mystics following this tournament here in Otaki. So a few more opportunities to get some game plan before obviously the start of the ANZ Premiership in 4 weeks' time. Let's have a look at the shooting circle for the Pulse. Thompson and Ventura certainly finding that connection nice and early, likewise Williams as well. You just get a sense that this connection of these 4 players, particularly Bridget, just building nicely over the start of this quarter.
Yeah, and a high ceiling across the course of the ANZ Premiership as well. 3 new faces in there.
Really nice to see Kiana Williams back out on court, obviously, as we know, coming back from injury.
Short pass. Yeah, I remember Williams playing with Caitlin Bassett for the Magic. It feels like a lifetime ago.
It does feel like a lifetime ago. Oh, Venter.
That's what you want to see from your goal shoot, commitment to defence.
Well, it's not very often that a goal shoot gets an intercept.
Strong drive, Wilshire. Good defensive work from the Pulse. Straight into Kafir and the quick offload. Maddie Thomas at goalkeeper, her first year in the ANZ Premiership. I think I read in her bio that last year playing for Manawa, the in and out side, she broke both arms while playing for Manawa last year, according to her bio. I can only imagine she was bracing herself for a fall, but what a nasty thing to have happen.
Yeah, both arms in one season. That's pretty unfortunate. Well, good to see her back out on court too. You can see the tape, the strapping on both the wrist and the elbow.
Sometimes it can just give a bit of confidence, that strapping.
Great repositioning there by Thompson and the drive in by Williams.
Oh, that was awkward. How did she manage to save that one?
Yeah, lucky there for the Magic. That pass just kind of at the feet of Wilshire, but they turn it over.
Commons to Thompson. Great stretch along the baseline. Venter. Gorman Brown swinging it right. McClyde was in the way.
Yeah, I don't think that probably was the best option for Williams to let that ball go straight in. Specifically, that choice of pass, way too flat when you've got someone like Mikaide standing in front.
Brooklyn Murray, wing defence, her first contract as well in the ANZ Premiership.
Kawhi to the post. Oh, Commons, unfortunately, just can't pull it in. She's had a few this game so far where she's getting tips. Oh, offensive contact call there by Xavier Tui. Not what you need.
Strong drive, Gorman Brown.
Look at that, the transition, so quick. Lucky there for the Pulse. Mikaide got a tip to that, no look pass.
Yeah, Makaire wasn't born yesterday. Got to pay some of these defenders some respect.
Yeah, and she's certainly been around the game for a while to understand.
Oh, great drive out from Thomas, really tracking that ball. Top of the circle, Wilshire. Just waiting for someone to present. Kawhi there just in the nick of time. Thompson, strong, gets that away before she falls.
Great balance and the great smarts there by Thompson.
So, Cruz, did you catch a bit of the SSN last night?
I did. Well, only one game, the game between the Thunderbirds and the Swifts. As mentioned, the Thunderbirds winning that one by 20. A few Kiwis in that team, or in that game, should I say.
Yeah, Grace Wiki obviously for the Swifts, Gina Crampton and Kate Heffernan. The commentators speaking very highly of Kate Heffernan playing at centre. And she got some of her trademark intercept. She was very impressive.
Yeah, she sure did. And a few more Kiwis on display today as well for the Firebirds and the Lightning. As we come back to this game here in Otaki, game 7 of 8 this weekend. Williams from range makes it count.
Thompson strong.
Oh,
yeah, the 1-2.
Well, the fake as well by Venter and a beautiful finish. She just outsmarted Maihi.
Oh, Thomas just about cut that off. Tough for Holly Commons. She does well.
It's such a good job there.
All you can do in that situation is just constantly move your feet.
Yeah, or attack the ball. She did both of them, actually.
Strong front hold from Tui.
So 24-20, the Pulse currently in the lead.
Oh, Venter does well to get that to her teammate, and for the next pass, she's all over the place.
Yeah, the 360 spin, the drive along the baseline, the double play. She can't do anything wrong this morning.
Having to go back, recycle this ball again, the Magic. Oh, what a take. Behind her back almost.
Yeah, she had to kind of contort her body to get that one.
Just a bit late, Maihi.
Change coming up here for the Pulse, potentially. Iseta Altangavaia standing up, got the goal attack position on. Yes, it is a change. Williams will go to the bench.
Yeah, well, Tongavai has been brought in as a reinforcement, really, for this tournament.
Well, she's no stranger to fitness either. Obviously, as a policewoman, New Zealand Police.
Dodge off the line, Otongavaia. Over the top again to Venter.
Well, I was wondering if anyone was going to take a super shot, and Venter will give me one. Yes, she does. She's been outstanding in this second quarter.
Well, Shai looks for support, has to go to Tui outside.
Great drive by Edgecombe.
Front ball into Kawhia. Tui. She's going to have a crack. Makes the most of it. Oh, she lets it rip, but slightly ambitious. It was also on the angle, swallowed up by Maihi.
Great give and get again by Edgecombe. Tui.
Back to back.
So she brings that deficit to 2. Another opportunity here for the Magic.
Oh, Maddie Thomas.
She's going to go again.
"17 seconds left. Can the Pulse add another?"
Gorman Brown to drive the cut.
Just burrowing herself closer to the goalpost of Tongavaia. Magic. It is the Pulse leading the Magic 28-27 at the end of the second quarter. Nothing in it. We will take a break for a few minutes, be back with second half action.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
And hear my brother say, stop, stop, stop.
I want to win. I want to win. Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruamai. Neke atu I te whā te kautau, te tūhono I ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga. Te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki. Haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
Time to play bad cop. You'd love that, wouldn't you?
Hey! Hey! This is England.
This is Bradford. It's the people we love who suffer when we don't do what we promise.
Harry, please, he might kill you.
How long do you think you'll last, detective?
I'll bury you.
We could change the city, you and me.
Heard it. Now the game begins.
New drama. Verdi. Ki Māori Plus. Me whakata Māori.
Ringa paka, hi! Kamate, kamate, kora, kora. Kamate, kamate, kora.
just stopped it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, like I was like, oh, shut up.
As Māori, we feel protective of our haka. We get why non-Māori love it, but I need to investigate how other Māori feel about these cringy renditions.
Kia ora tamariki mā.
Kia ora.
So we all know about the All Blacks and they all mean as at the haka.
Yep.
But there's some European brothers and sisters and they're not doing it right. I was wanting to show you guys a video of them.
Okay.
What did you think of that one?
I thought it was terrible.
Yeah.
That's my only one word is terrible.
Yeah. Are you saying that non-Māori can't haka?
Not saying that, but like do it professionally and not like mocking.
Come to New Zealand and like just do actual professional training
Yep.
from the actual Māori.
Yep. Oh, man. Yeah, I think that too. What just happened?
There is something in the air, and I think it might be cultural appropriation.
Kia ora, JP.
Kia ora, bro.
How's the culture policing going?
Oh, well, I'm just investigating a serious case at the moment. Would you like to take a look at these videos?
Yeah, sure thing.
Yep. What do you think of that one?
I don't even know if they can be called a haka.
It's kaka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kaka haka.
Yeah, it was a kaka haka, right?
Just kaka kaka, because
Yeah.
we don't
Yeah,
have the
yeah,
haka
well,
word, eh?
they had the haka, yeah, just kaka kaka.
Kaka kaka.
Yeah.
Yes, mate.
Yeah. And what did you think about the woman doing the pukana? She was poking her tongue out.
Oh yeah, that's different. Whetero was for the tāne. Warriors used to use it as a taunt to the enemies to say they can't wait to eat them.
Cannibalism.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, taste the blood.
Hard.
That's pretty ruthless, eh?
Meaty, yeah.
Yeah. I should contact
Yeah,
them.
you should contact them. And then
No,
you teach
I don't know. Oh, well, I wouldn't be the right person to teach him, but I can send him an email. Yep.
Yeah, cool. Me, cool.
Have we lost our sense of humour, or do we need some hard truths? This kaumātua doesn't mince his words.
They're lawyers.
Pack of assholes. That's culturally insensitive, bro. You know, when you get the people around the world doing that, you know, not good when you see it, eh?
Yeah.
True.
Sort of rocks you up.
Oh, yeah, rocks you
inside,
up.
eh?
Yeah, it does rock you up. Yeah, we did that at the French anthems. Yeah, they were what they think about it. We made fun of that, eh?
Yeah. How would they feel?
Because haka can be for many things, eh? A haka can be for you into battle.
Yeah.
A haka can be for sadness that someone's passed. People don't know what they're saying or what they're doing, then they shouldn't do it.
It's real dongy, eh?
What does dongy mean, bro?
Oh, it means dopey. Yeah, stupid.
Where's the dopey? You stupid. Yeah.
It's not a Māori word, though. Dongy. No D in the...
Yeah, true.
Reo. I like your horns, bro. Want to smell?
If it looks like kaka, you can guarantee it smells like kaka. This is Roimata. There are two things she is real passionate about, cows and protecting cultural identity.
It's still loading.
We're in the WAPS, Kazzy. It's not going to load. It's no Wi-Fi out here, Kaz. Let me just put my satellite on.
It's not picking it up. Isn't it flattering to be copied, you know?
Yeah, it is. it is flattering to be acknowledged around the world, but we don't go and make a pancake if we don't know how to make a pancake. You know, we do a bit of research and find the ingredient. That's all it takes.
I like your kōrero. So why do we haka?
To teach our tamariki so that our mātauranga stays intact and we're still passing down those generational lessons that just pass on down to us.
Yep.
But first and foremost, our haka, we do it because we are Māori.
Yep.
And we do that to represent who we are as a people and as a nation. And those are big things for us.
Yep.
And to see someone else from somewhere else not knowing those aspects and just having a laugh about it, it kind of hurts a little bit.
So whānau, we have to take some responsibility to protect our haka. That means next time you see a haka that makes you unhappy, call it out and make them accountable. Cultural appropriation is not okay, okay?
Ringa ringa pakia, wai takahia, kakina nei hoki. Kakina nei hoki. Kamate, kora, kora.
Kamate, kora, kora.
Tenai te tangata, huru, huru. Nana, itiki mai whakawhiti tērā.
What's your name? Hangi? I'll name you Hangi, Umu, Eifelet. Kia ora, Eifelet. Can you do a pukana for us? Oh, well, I'm actually quite scared, eh?
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, from up the coast to down south, stories told our way.
How can you not be amped about that?
Sharp as a tack,
You're the mana mancha.
deep as an ocean. Ahakoa kei hia koe, kei reira a Māori Plus.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau kua uru mai koe. Pause it, rewind it, play that part again, turn it up. This is Māori Plus.
Get ready with me.
Tō mātou reo.
Kau te manoarere, kau.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there, matua.
Aroha mai, babe. Tō mātou tiroha. Watch it when it suits you, how it suits you.
What? I know.
Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Your mates, Māori Plus.
Hoki mai e kita hauwha tuatoru. It is the Pulse leading the Magic, nothing in it, 28-27. And Cruz, I would say there's a lot to like about both attacking ends at the moment.
Yeah, we spoke about the likes of Venter and her connection with Kiana Williams, Gorman Brown, but also down the Magic attacking end. I think Kate Taylor certainly stepped up this weekend. She's been assisted really nicely by Saviour Tui, her leadership, her experience. So, as you mentioned, really good benefits, really good, I guess, fruits to take out of this weekend for both sides as they head into the ANZ Premiership.
Looks like Sarah Guinea is on at goal attack for the Magic.
Yeah, Losa Fafita coming on for at goal keep for the Magic too.
Kenza Teale at centre for the Magic.
Oh, this is Piwari, Tino Piwari tēnei. Tēnei te Tingania Ainsleana, the little brother of Ainsleana.
Oh. Magic to get us underway. Edgecombe back in wing defence. Brooklyn Murray at goal defence, and she tried to force that through.
Well, yeah, there was really no path. There were two Pulse players directly in line of that ball.
Zalika Clark back out on at goal defence for Pulse.
A more mobile shooting circle here for the Pulse. Again, Ngarimu just getting that hand to the ball.
Fafita drives it down to Guinea. Good defensive work, Pulse.
Oh, Thomas, she tried to attack the ball. Right idea, but an even better release there for the Magic.
Nice bounce pass.
Again, Taylor very accurate this morning.
Good pressure from the Magic Centre. Oh, it's difficult for the Pulse.
Yeah, but certainly been made to work here. Just resetting that ball.
Oh, yeah, how ball. You can see that coming. Cable Dixon in the pocket. Taylor, how did you do that? Fingertip stuff from Taylor. Oh, beautifully picked off by Maddie Thomas, coming right out of the circle.
Oh, she's been looking for one of those all game. South B from range. But gets caught for a hard ball.
Yeah, you can see she was just waiting for Fafita to clear. Oh, stepping call against Taylor. Clark with the ball, having to go back for support.
Great cut back there by Ngarimu. So this is where they're getting stuck at the moment, are the Pulse.
Southby with the ball. Oh, just bouncing off that rim. I've seen that a few times this morning. Guinea. That's it to Cable Dixon.
Oh, Thomas again. Just the athleticism to get down for that short pass.
Quick transition here, Southie. Setting that up. Oh, that strong challenge from Georgie Edgecombe. She's so good around the circle edge.
Well, they deserve that after that great pressure by Georgie Edgecombe as a timeout's called by the Pulse. Great timeout here actually by the Pulse because they've had two opportunities to get some points on the board, but both have been turned over. So just time to take a breath, regather. See Liana Leota there, the head coach, or acting head coach, should I say, for the Pulse, as Anna Andrews-Tassola's not with the team this morning.
Yeah, she spent at least a decade over in the UK as a player, then got into coaching. So much experience for a relatively young age.
And she spoke about just how important it was for her to be home back here in the central region.
Yeah, even having a acting coaching role, head coach role for the England Roses a couple of years ago when the head coach took a series off. Leota brought the team to New Zealand and they did well. Very young team.
So Magic 31-29 in the lead.
Heavy contact in the middle.
Let's not forget for the Pulse, certainly resting the likes of Amelia Nicanasio and Paris Mason. So despite that, still doing a really good job this morning.
Cable Dixon, pocket. Thomas had a crack at it. Tainui Takare spreads it left.
Magic just playing a box defensive zone here. Oh, very lucky to get that one into Aotearoa Vaia.
That just dropped perfectly. It had to be perfect.
Yeah, and it had a lot of backspin on it as well.
South B spreading it left to the pocket.
Strong hold.
Fafita had a good challenge on it.
Yeah, I'd love her to just go to the post, just to take that pressure. So all even here in the third quarter, 32 apiece.
Tip from behind. Taylor.
Oh, Puliata, the last few touches she's actually had into that shooting circle have been so good to watch.
Cable Dixon, quick work to get to the edge of the circle and over the mess to Guinea. South B goes out.
Oh, I'm coaching here too on the sideline. I shouldn't be. I'll just keep commentating. But
wanted her to go for the shot?
Yeah, well, I wanted her to turn quickly because that space was open, but she kept setting the screen. However, they got there in the end.
Oh, great work, Narimu. Cutting that ball off in the middle. South B offload. Tongavaya cradles that ball. Murray finds Taylor outside. Taylor, mid-range.
Yeah, she's been very accurate this game.
Puliatas just forcing that in really. Murray was coming through.
Oh, she turns it over too. Great job there by Murray. Oh, unlucky there from Puliata. Just kind of tripped over the ball.
Quick ball work, but Thompson didn't have a good challenge earlier.
So Magic take the lead by 1. Oh, Cable Dixon change of direction on the centre pass attack.
Guinea sweeping around. Now she's happy to shoot. Can't finish it. Southby outside.
Puliata doing a ton of work just to fight her way to the circle edge. Great offload there by Southby.
Raw square again. Super shot phase now as well, so remains to be seen if these teams will have a crack.
Southby, oh, great roll there. That's a better rotation of the circle.
Just wiping part of the floor where the umpire runs.
Well, that's where Puliata fell over, where she tripped over the ball. Savia Tui doing the Lord's work, cleaning up the floor.
Cable Dixon, straight into Taylor. Puliata driving hard. Nice entry into the circle, Southby. Pulse, one ahead.
Yeah, good confidence there by Southby. Great depth and pass.
Oh, that was slick from the Magic.
Yeah, the entry into the circle there by Guinea. Good hold. Beautiful release by Tainui Takide.
Just a bit of miscommunication, but they hold on to it, Magic.
So last 3 minutes of this third quarter coming up.
Oh, that was brilliant work from Puliata. And Southby knew what was coming as well. She made sure she was there in time.
Yeah, the speed, the timing from these attackers.
Straight down the throat of Maddie Thompson.
Just far too easy for Thomas. Beautiful defensive pattern there for the Pulse.
Pulse managed to hold on to it.
Yeah, Fafita's been actually really good in this quarter, just getting a few tips to the ball. Tangavaya, and it just dribbles in. Great work by Southby, out-muscling Murray to get over that line.
Tongavai outside. Here goes for the option.
Good confident release there for the Pulse, so 3 the difference.
Getting in the 2-point zone. She'll feel good after that one.
Oh, swinging it right across. Southby, she was there. Now they've got to try and... Well, Southby really needs to come down this middle channel. She needs to get in the circle.
Yeah, hard work for the Pulse, but they're being patient. 20 seconds left. Magic, what can they do with it? Oh, stepping against Serengeti.
Well, 10 seconds.
Not high enough. Loose stuff from both teams. But in the end, it is the Pulse who maintain a small lead, leading the Magic 42-40. We'll take a quick break. We'll be back for the final quarter shortly.
Ko tai tēnei ki te kotahi rau tau I ngā e nei. I raro I ngā waiwai o ngā tikanga Pākehā. E tahi o tātou te marike kei kona e noho tūpuhia I roto I tēnei aho te Māori tau. Nā reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rāta. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whai ake I ngā kahura. Hei whai atu I o rātou hia, ke mōhia I rātou ko wai rātou.
You ready?
Smash him, baby!
This is called the Sharma Special.
Nice!
The Ganguli Googly, the Dusra. Dad. Hey, your mum's calling you.
No, your mum's calling you.
You asked for it. Catch it, Samir!
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruamai. Neke atu I te whā te kautau, te tūhono I ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga, te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki, haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
Tamariki like ours can go through this whole life being invisible. I'm so proud of my son. I can see how hard he's working.
Au taia, tukula mai o kahahi a mātou nei tamariki kia tūranga tira.
Ko au taia, haka. Mai ara rā te kāhui ariki, te kāhui te pua, te kāhui tai haruru atu nei.
Whakau koukou te wairua I nai anei.
Kia ui tonu,
Ki o tātou mā tāpono, te puku mahi, e ri te ana koutou, e ri te ana tātou.
Hoki mai ki te hauwha whakamutunga. About to get underway here, the final quarter, and it is the Pulse leading the Magic 42-40. It has been close throughout this entire game, nothing much in it. And it's the last time we're going to get to see these teams. Final game for them at this tournament. Cruz, your overall impressions? I guess let's start with the Pulse.
Sorry, just waiting for this game to get underway. Yeah, I think both teams have been fantastic. I think there's nothing in this game. You know, there's been a change of lead twice now. The Magic kind of led in that third quarter, and then the Pulse finished it strongly. But really, like that, Fafita, there's certainly been some brilliances from both teams right across this game this morning.
South B out to Ngarimu.
What's been impressive for this Pulse side particularly, it's the fact that they've kept kind of this younger lineup on, and you know, they're really holding their own. They're doing some fantastic work out there. The connections still are strong. The momentum is still with the home side. Oh, Clark just plucked that one out of the air. Great drive.
Quick, jump pass down the court.
Oh, that was far too easy. Right from the defensive end to the attacking end.
Can't finish it though. Fafita wins the rebound. Slick work down this end too, but again, a miss.
Well, both shooting ends just not sinking at the moment.
South B doing a lot of work.
A little bit of a tackle there by Mahi.
Ngarimu in the centre bib. She's mostly been at wing defence this tournament. Riata, Ngarimu.
Clear direction there by the umpire to Taylor, get her distance.
A strong hold for Tongavaia.
So the highest lead, highest margin so far in this game, 5.
Tui, quick release to Guinea. She chases it down. Through the hands of Guinea.
Oh, Savia Tuiwa, she got a tip. For me, Puliata for the Pulse, certainly doing a great job just leading this young team. Likewise, down the attacking end.
Puliata again doing so much work.
Grace Southby just very calm and controlled in that goal attack position. Strong rebound there by Aotangavaia. But she doesn't look phased. She looks like she's just very much in control, going at her own pace, at her own rhythm.
A lot of poise.
Yeah, certainly.
Nice dodge. Cable Dixon. Thomas having another crack.
Unlucky there for Maihi. She had a really good challenge at the ball.
Southby, nice. I thought that was a nicely weighted pass.
A little bit too casual there by Wānanga. That's better, going up with two hands.
So Cole's pushing out that score even more. Now we see a team timeout. Looks like that's been called by the Magic. Mary Jane Araroa has been in charge of the Magic. This is her 4th year, I think it is.
Yeah, very clear direction there by MJ Araroa. Very much a stalwart of Netball Waikato, kind of been involved in the region for a long period of time, actually. Likewise, that defender behind her, Erina Makaire from Rotorua. So we do have one more game, the final game coming up straight after this between the Mystics and the Steel. That one will kick off at 10:30. It's been a fantastic weekend of netball here in Otaki. As always, hosted so incredibly well by Te Wānanga Raukawa.
Cable Dixon having to go back.
Oh, Thomas again. She's been fantastic in this latter half of the game.
Very good at cutting off that front pass.
I think what I love about Thomas is the fact that she's moving her feet. She's not just kind of lunging at the ball.
Quick offload, Tongavaya snaps it in.
So change here for, well, just a positional change between Guinea and Tui.
Southie finds Tainu Takare.
Great swing, beautiful swing, opens up that angle.
Yeah, she let that ball go when she saw the Magic heads defenders down.
So 9 the difference now, 8.5 minutes left. The entire Pulse team calling for the hard ball.
Tui back at goal shoot where we're used to seeing her more. Top of the circle. Yeah, clear ball over to Otongavaya.
Well, what's working great in this situation is the work that Southby is doing by rolling that front. She's drawing a player off Otongavaya and then plenty of space on the base. Oh, Ngarimu got a tip to the ball.
Wilshire finds Skinny. Lots of pressure, strong take though.
Oh, the vision.
She pulls the trigger. Just need a bit of backspin on that one. Way too low.
Yeah.
Complete gimme.
Certainly not the right option either. Probably had a shorter option there.
Just clearing the fingertips of Maihi.
Again, Thomas didn't really have to do anything but jump.
I could have got that.
Yeah.
No, she does well. Maihi.
Well, yeah, and that's exactly what Maihi wanted. She was playing off the body just to show that the space was open.
Good challenge for Fita. Just confirming with the other umpire. Strong positioning from Otongavaia. When she uses her body like that, it's very difficult for the defender to get around. She pulls the trigger, but Thomas was up to the task.
That's probably her fourth deflection this game. She's been incredible.
South Beach sweeps around, lines up the shot, takes the pulse out. 10 goals ahead of the Magic. Oh yeah, miscommunication between the Magic defenders. They were caught napping. So these teams can start scoring 2 points now from longer distance.
You have to say, yep, they line up, Saviour Tui. And that's why, because she is so accurate from that range.
Good defensive pressure here in the midcourt from the Magic.
Really no one coming to the ball. Yeah, stepping call there. Right call. So 4 minutes left.
Over the back. She wants to get in the 2-point zone. Tui goes back to back.
Well, you'd have to say if anyone can bring this Magic team back from a deficit, it'll be Saviour Tui and the dancing skills of Kate Taylor on the bench.
Yeah, how ball.
Great pressure there from the Pulse.
South Beat.
Oh, lucky.
Safe. Quick ball work here from the Pulse. South Beat.
Going for the long one. Why not?
Finishing with a flourish here, the Pulse.
Yeah, the confidence there by South Beat.
Good defensive work. They just get it to Cable Dixon in time. Tui on the baseline. She does well to punch forward. She really had to grab that ball.
Tui.
Again, Tui.
So 8 the difference, 2 minutes left. Really, it's just scoring off every position for the Pulse. Magic, they'll probably have to go for those 2-point shots if they want to close down this deficit.
Narimu.
South Beat. Nice hold. Great setup there by Aotangawaia.
Oh, she's been kicking herself. She did everything but catch it. Tui driving hard. It allows Guinea to punch forward. She's going to go for a double.
She's been great from that range too. I think we need more of that in netball. More dancing on the sideline.
Yes, 25 seconds left. Magic will try to add another.
Yeah, just unfortunately fumbling that ball, Wilshire. So 15 seconds. One last chance here for the home side.
Yeah, very messy is often the way in the last 30 seconds of these games. Tui fighting for that ball.
And she makes it count. Savia Tui from range.
Pulse winning their final game of the tournament 60-54. An impressive win given they were without their co-captains Emilian Ekanasio and Paris Mason. Magic won the first quarter by 2, then the Pulse just nudged ahead, but it was really that final quarter that the Pulse put their foot down, and impressive stuff from the Pulse given that they had quite a few, they went through their training partners as well.
They certainly did, and they stuck with them for the majority of that game, but full credit to the belief, the confidence in these players to really stand up in the situation. I thought they had really good calmness and control down that attacking end, and players like Maddie Thomas certainly coming out and making a headache of herself in that game, well, in that match against the Magic. So a well-deserved rest for these two teams before they get back out on court for the ANZ Premiership.
Yeah, that is just a month away. Final game of the tournament coming up at 10:30. Will be the Mystic Steel. Both sides have had a win and a loss so far. Eighth and final game coming up at this tournament. A big weekend for these players and administrators. Has been good watching new import players as well. Until now, the limit has been 1 import player per team. Netball New Zealand changed that last year, so quite a few teams are utilising that and have 2 import players. Pulse finished the competition third last year. Magic will be hoping to better their result last season, finishing 5th. And Cruz Tangira, he has got 2 Pulse defenders with him, Maddie Thomas and Holly Commons.
Maddie and Holly, thank you very much for your time. Congratulations on the win. Holly, I'll come to you first. Your first time being in the Pulse, but you must be pretty proud of that performance given the kind of young experience out on court.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be here right now, especially coming off a big injury last year. It feels great. It feels like home coming back over from Brisbane. And obviously being the youngest player in the team, it is pretty scary coming over, but the girls have been amazing. Like, I couldn't ask for a better group of girls, and yeah, I'm just super happy with how we performed today in the last 2 days, so it's been really good.
Well, speaking of happiness, Maddie, I'll come to you. Obviously, you're coming back from injury, but your first contract with the Pulse as well, after many years of hard work in the Central Manawa team, you must be proud of yourself with the performance that you put out there on court.
Yeah, I'm just so happy to be back, so grateful. It's awesome to be out there. Look, it's my happy place, so yeah, I'm happy.
And finally, what's the vibe like in the team? Because we see a lot of smiles, a lot of dancing out on court. Paris Mason, you know, stepping into the coaching role as well. What's it like heading into the ANZ Premiership only 4 weeks away, Holly?
Oh, I think we're ready. We are so ready. It's such a new team, but we have bonded like we've known each other for so long now. So yeah, I think we are ready. We're always happy, always smiling, always dancing too. So yeah, super keen for the season, and it's just right around the corner now. So yeah.
You guys are ready, we're ready. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Wareware at Mystic Steel, 10:30 is the centre pass. Go grab a cup of tea. Ka kite anō.
I want to represent my culture, I want to represent Māori to the best of my ability. I haven't released anything in te reo. It is a little bit of a fear factor for me.